Listen, if you know the smell, you already know what time it is. Today, I am making the real Jamaican brown stew chicken. Rich, sticky, and full of flavor. Let me show you how we do this the right way. First thing first, start with your chicken. Clean it with lemon or lime and rinse it well. Now it is time to season. I am adding black pepper, green seasoning, chicken seasoning, browning, thyme, garlic, onion, ginger, bell pepper, scallion, and just a little scotch bonnet for heat. Now, massage all that seasoning deep into the chicken. This right here is where flavor starts. Don't rush this part. Cover it and let it marinate at least 30 minutes. But if you can, let it go overnight. Trust me, it's worth it. Hot pan, oil in. Now I am dropping in a little sugar to make my own browning. Once that sugar gets dark, in goes the chicken. Hear that? That is what you want. We are not cooking it all the way through. We are just building color, flavor, and that signature brown stew taste. Flip it. Let every side get nice and golden. This step right here, this is why brown stew chicken tastes different. Once the chicken is browned, take it out and in the same pot add onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, and bell peppers. Stir that up and scrape the bottom off the pot. Everything stuck down there. That is pure flavor. Now we are building the gravy. In goes ketchup, fresh tomato, a little more browning, and some chicken broth. Stir that together and bring it to a boil. You want this dark, rich, flavorful gravy to start forming. Now, drop the chicken back into the pot. Cover it and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Low and slow. Let that chicken soak up all the flavor. This is where the magic happens. After simmering, give it a taste. Adjust your salt and pepper if needed. You can add a little butter, some carrots, or more thyme if you like. Then let it cook down until the gravy thick and the chicken nice and tender. Jamaican brown stew chicken, tender, rich, and full of yard flavor. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe to I Love Cooking, and comment what Jamaican dish you want next. Respect for watching. See you in the next one.